In 1925, Albert Einstein wrote the mission of the Hebrew University. Science and investigation recognize as their aim the truth only. It is natural, therefore, that institutions which serve the interests of science should be a factor making for the union of nations and men. We still believe in Einstein's vision. We believe that answering big questions and solving global challenges requires global perspectives. And what better place to do it than the city of Jerusalem? A place where scholars have wrestled with life's biggest questions for centuries, now leading the world in scientific and technological innovation. At the Hebrew University of Jerusalem, we are collaborating with leading institutions, scientists and researchers to develop nanomedicine, to advance brain sciences, to improve water management, and to create new tools to address the most pressing questions of our time. We warmly welcome international students and faculty to our campuses and seek to provide our students with diverse opportunities for study abroad. We believe that participating in an international study abroad program broadens and enriches our students' perspectives and learning experience. As members of the international scholarly and scientific community, we are tackling the most daunting challenges facing humanity, and we are creating the global citizens of tomorrow. After all, as Einstein said, we can't solve problems by using the same kind of thinking we used when we created them. The Hebrew University of Jerusalem, a tradition of innovation.